all at once. So hold on, we're using this one, I'm sorry. Is thin layer, a little go a long way. Guess what? The trifecta come with this beautiful crystal kits. And it's gonna be so amazing when you hear this, gonna say, wow. Right, I'm gonna tell you what it is after we finish with this nails. So no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Floating on the top. Thank you, Lily. All right. So we are gonna do something is cute on these nails. Is I'm gonna using the frames from the kit. So now you have actually the silver. You seen that I'm going back and forth with gold and silver. I'm gonna add just a little bit of condensed glue gels on the top again, because we wanna lace that beautiful neon pink on the top. And I add SS12s on this one, SS10s. And then the silver and a gold frame. This mango color is so beautiful. It looks like a jackfruit instead of mango. But I like both of that fruit, so I'm okay with them. You can add beads on it. You happy with this? We are going to cure for 60 seconds. This is a neon. It's perfect for summer. Brazil. Hi Jenny, how are you? Hi Ika. Hello photography, how are you? All right, so cure for 60 seconds on this one. This is all fun, $5 nail arts. You can able to create it for your clients. If your clients want to be more fancier, much fancier, you can definitely add it on more crystals. And when we're waiting for the third nails to be cured, we are going to do the fourth one. And I am using a number 6 aqua on this nails. How's everyone doing? You are